Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, did you lose access to Facebook Marketplace? If your account was restricted or blocked from buying or selling, you can submit an appeal directly through Facebook. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to appeal a marketplace restrictions in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what a marketplace restriction means. So a restriction may prevent you from posting listings, block buying or selling, disable shipping access, and limit messaging. So restrictions usually relate to policy violations. Okay, so you can first thing, open the Facebook application, tap the three lines menu here at the top. Go to settings and privacy here, okay, and then choose settings. Go to account status, okay. So as you can see, here is the account status, okay. So this shows restrictions details or restriction details. So open the marketplace restriction notice, okay. Read the reason carefully: policy violation, suspicious activity, payments issues, repeated reports, okay. Understand the issue before appealing, and then look for request review button, tap it. If eligible, appeal option appears. Some restrictions don't allow review, so button only appears when appeal is available, okay. So explain clearly and respectfully, provide context if needed, and attach any required documentation, okay. So be honest, stay professional, avoid emotional language, and short, clear explanations work best, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.